Drenewydd yn y melyn a'i penna'n uchel ar ôl curo pen y bont nos Fawrth. Mi fydd hon yn gêm dipyn anoddach yn erbyn y pencampwyr. Mills Evans ar bêl dros ben yr amddiffyn. Breeze sydd yn herlyd hi. Jamie Breeze. Pêl ddat, Alex Fletcher. Fletcher yn curo George Horan. Fletcher ar ergyd! I gefn y rhwyd wedi 19 munud. Alex Fletcher. Mi nath o greu argraff nos Fawrth. Yn ei gêm gynta ers ail ymuno ar Robinied. Mi nath Oliver Byrne ddechrau mynd un ffordd a mi nath o bêl y ffordd arall. Insel yn gry. Insel yn wyllt. Tackle uchel, y studs yn dangos. A dos bosib mi fydd Jamie Insel yn gweld y cerdyn coch yn fan hyn. Jamie Insel heb ymddangos ers yr haf oherwydd anaf. Yn mynd i gael ei helo'r maes wedi 24 munud os bosib. Ie, a'r syndod falle ydy mae honna di cerdyn coch gynta. Insel yn Uwchgyngor Cymru. Cyfle fan hyn i 10 dyn Cei Connah. Dŵl ar bêl. Mae Dave Jones wedi dod allan. A George Horan yn penio i rwyd wag. A mae 10 dyn Cei Connah yn gyfartal. Dim trosedd ar y golwr yn ôl Cheryl Foster. Michael Wilde ath mewn amdani. Oedd na fraich yng ngwyneb Dave Jones. Nag oedd yn ôl y dyfarnwr. Mae Neil Dans, cyn chwaraewr Blackburn, Crystal Palace a Chaerlu'r yn ryddhau Michael Wilde. Wilde y bêl yn taro Sutton, Cei Connah yn pledio am gicor smotyn. Ond mi oedd breichiau Sutton yn dyn wrth i ochr. Holmes at Morris. Danny Holmes yn codi'r bêl i fewn i'r cwrt, neb yno i'r nomadied. A mi geith Danny Holmes gyfle arall o bosib. Holmes i fewn, a tro hwn mae Michael Wilde yno. A mae 10 dyn Cei Connah di troi'r gêm ar ei phen, awr ar y cloc. Ac efallai mae Ciara Mills Evans nath wyro hon i'w rwyd ei hun. Sutton at Fletcher, digonodd o le. Gan Alex Fletcher godi ben, di gweld rhediad Jordan Evans. Evans! Fymru'n heibio'r postyn. Mae'n edrych fel bod Cei Connah mi gwneud hi'n 8 buddigoliaeth yn ôl.
Make it difficult for herself, yeah, absolutely. You know, to play over 70 minutes with 10 men and 1-0 down at the point you go to 10. It speaks of losing the game, but you know, the spirit of the lads is incredible. It's something that's been at this club for a long, long time. Nobody else finds that. You know, it doesn't get a tougher game than these because they played in the week and played really well. They're re-energized. You can just feel it about them that they've got their spirit back again. So for us to turn that round from there is an absolutely remarkable achievement to win that game of football.
You know, look, I can be pleased with lots of things today. You know, the energy about my side was, you know, a lot different to what it was before Christmas. Obviously, the players we brought in have galvanised us, and you know that's important as well. And you know, we've come here today, and you know, look, the sending off obviously it changes games, doesn't it? And I think, and then we let ourselves down with the quality, and they put a great ball in. Probably the only real chance bar from Jordan's in the second half, and it's a great ball in, and we're disappointed with how we defended it. We defended the first one really well, and then we haven't reacted to the second ball. And when you play Connah's Quay, you've got to react well to the second balls, but you've got to do that every single time, and we haven't. We've switched off probably 2 occasions, one for the first goal, one for the second goal, and they punished us.